garlic winter melon yogurt casserole or garlic winter melon raita, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the raita recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the winter melon casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes. We're going to make garlic winter melon casserole. We have taken around 150 grams of winter melon, cleaned and peeled and cut into pieces. Around 25 to 30 cloves of garlic, 2 green chillies, 15 to 20 shallots, 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves, 15 grams of ginger. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic leaves. Sauce the garlic leaves. Put in the ginger. Put in salt taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. A quarter spoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Salt. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Salt thoroughly. Put in the winter melon peas. Put in salt taste. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly. Put in a sprig of curry leaves and 2 green chilies, salt, mix. Pour in 100 ml of water. Mix and let the mixture cook for 10 minutes. Close and cook for 10 minutes. For 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Open. And let it cook. Around 100 ml of yogurt. Mix and let the mixture cook for 1 minute and take off the flame. Now the garlic winter melon yogurt casserole is ready and can be served. This is the final garlic winter melon yogurt casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the winter melon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the ashcroft recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the melon casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.